I'm gonna be soldering these together. Happy Monday. Oh, you're at work right now? Yeah, I thought I'd go live working on the bike and not at my job because you know how things are nowadays. They want to fire you for everything. So I thought I'd go live while working on the bike and while riding the bike. Mema Yayo. Memo Yayo, hi, how are you, man? How are you doing? I'm just working on my bike. Please consider subscribing. I had this right here. Let me put it in the video. And lovely Lizzie's here, and Aaron Doc 12 and Motorized Bicycle Life is here. Please guys, like that video, hit that like button. But I had this fail here, this XT connector, and this the negative wire came apart because of the current flowing through. So I'm just gonna take these off and solder these thicker wires in place, and that should fix that problem right away. So what I'm doing is wiring up the bike, cutting these wires shorter, and then soldering them together, because I have a nest of wires right here, but I was impatient and I wanted to ride the bike. So what's up, guys? Please leave a comment down below so I know who's here, and I will mention you in my next video. I'm working on it right now, which is wiring up the bike. I had these wires just with simple connectors like this because I was impatient and I wanted to ride the bike right away, but it worked for a little while. But now we're gonna get it going for sure the right way. What's up, guys? Please leave a comment down below and hit that like button for me. There's 28 people on the live. Wow. Hey, Alexandria, what's up? Memayayo, see you later. Consider subscribing. On the next live, I'll make you moderator. If you come to my next live, I'll remember your name. And Alexandria too. Hit that like button for me before you leave, and consider subscribing, please. What you doing, Bori? I think he said Bori. I'm just going live while working on the bike. I'm wiring up the soldering up the wires and adding thicker gauge wire like this to where it's needed on the battery, because so much voltage is going through now that I need to beef up these wires. They came with wires like this small, and now I'm gonna add wires like this. Thicker gauge wiring. What up, boys? Will be boys. How much money does that cost? This bike, the bike costed about $1,500, but this is This bike is an amyet bike. I bought it on Amazon. It's a Super 73 clone. So the bike costed $1,500, but I took off all the wiring, and then I spent about $200 buying the controllers and the displays and the throttles. Everything else to wire it up, I spent about $300 maybe on all the wiring, on all these controllers and everything. About $300. What's the wattage of the motors? The motors are each 1,500 watt motors. So I'm putting 1,500 watts through these controllers, and then the controllers are 1,500 watts each. The motors are 1,500 watts. So, but when this comes from the factory, the bike, it comes with 23 amp controllers. These are 35 amp controllers. The bike will go, I think, about 45 to almost 50. I haven't got it there yet because it's so cold outside. But I did play with the parameters settings on the bike. Yeah, it's dual 48 volts. It has 2 batteries. Skippy NJ. Boys will be boys. Please consider subscribing. On my next live, I will make you guys moderators. And hit that like button for me. Does it ride as fast as your wife does? Not really, but I like to ride on both. Ben Hutch's turkey teeth. Please consider subscribing, and on the next live I will make you moderator. You will be in my video with that comment, so Alexandria, where are you from, Bori? I am from Illinois. Corby Corb, how many mile per hour? This one, I haven't got it there yet, but it should go about 45 to 50. I just got a go-kart I built that goes 45 with 212 motor. Oh, okay. Cool. Boys will be boys. You guys are gonna be on my next video because I'm working on the bike and I'm going live while working on the bike. So you have a hub motor in the front and a chain in the rear. Yeah, it's both. There's 2 hub motors, so this is all-wheel drive. This hub motor in the back, hub motor in the front. So each motor is independent. It has 2 throttles. So I can work the front one if I want only. I can work the back one if I want only. And then it's independent, so both wheels have their own throttle, their own display. I can set 1 and 1. If I wanted to lower the voltage in the back wheel, I can. If I wanted to lower the voltage in the front, I can. So it's independent. I can work either throttle at either time or at the same time. So it's 2 1,500 watt motors and then 2 1,500 watt controllers. So it's all-wheel drive, and I can hit either the front or the back or both at the same time. So I can burn out the front or burn out the back, either one at either time. Corby dang. Boys will be boys. I just subbed to you, brother. Much love. Hey, boys will be boys. Thank you for subbing. You will be in my next video, so check out that video. I'm going live while working on the bike. This is what happened. This failed on me, guys. Let me show you real quick, since you guys. This failed on me here. This connector, XT60 connector. So the negative came off because so much voltage is coming through. So now I'm gonna beef up this XT60 connector. Let me show the video. I'm gonna beef up this XT connector with this type of wire. Look what came on the bike. This tiny wire. Come on now. Come on now. Saw the chain from the pedals and I thought it was just motor you put on. No, yeah, it's a hub motor, but I can pedal assist it. But the pedal assist is not working right now. I gotta get it going. It's not hooked up. The pedal assist is right here, which I'm gonna hook up. I'm gonna solder it together, so it should work. But I can't have two pedal assists. I can just pedal assist the rear wheel, so it's all good. I don't need pedal assist with this type of setup. We got enough power. We don't need a pedal assist. Corby Corb, get a Suron. I cannot afford a Suron, so I made my own Suron. Ben Hatchets, do you have a OnlyFans or is just your wife? I'm Jose. I am 9 my hate here. Jose, what's up? Please consider subscribing and hit that like button for me. Corby, pros are better. Yeah, you're right, pros are better than Surons. Jose, you will be in my next video. Please have respect or you're getting timed out. Yes, listen to Lovely Lizzie. My hate is here. Okay. Please consider subscribing. And hit that like button for me. And what's your name? Oh yeah? You bought a 750 watt e-bike? Oh no. Oh yeah. My other e-bike, if you see my channel, my other e-bike goes about 30. And it's a 750 watt e-bike that I put a 1500 watt controller to. That one goes about 30. Skippy NJ Jiff commented he has a 750 watt e-bike and it goes about 20 miles an hour. The stock battery only lasts for around 10 minutes. Oh, 10 miles. That's a shitty ass bike. Like and subscribe, please. Thank you for the support. Lovely Lizzie, thank you, brother. I appreciate that. It's like 45 volts. Okay. Yeah, you could upgrade that one. Just buy a controller off Amazon. And you take out all the wiring and you put your own wiring to it. Where you go on with that bike? Where do you go? What do you mean where I go with that bike? I go to the back roads, go everywhere. But it's been cold, so I can't go too far because I freeze. Yeah, just around town for now, till I can, till we take it for some rides, and then we see how long we can last with them, the batteries. No, I got oh, you got just front suspension on yours? Yeah, I put a moped seat on my other bike because it only had front suspension. But yeah, I ride around town, but mostly in the back roads because you'll see me, I start off by my house and then I'll cut off through the side streets. Yeah, my cold, the bike doesn't do so good in the cold. That's true. Skippy NJ Jiff, since you are commenting, I will make you the moderator for the video. Add as moderator. And that's the first moderator for the live working on the bike. So you will see on the video that I added you as moderator. So first, what I'm doing is gonna solder some thicker wires to this XT60 connector because this failed on the bike, and we'll get this soldered up real quick. But I need something to hold it with. Welcome, Skippy, Lovely Lizzie said. I appreciate that, Lovely Lizzie. Thank you for welcoming our new subscribers. I appreciate that very much.